This is Abbey Chase, the U.S. girl from the Girls for Real, inspired comic book girls from the Danger Girls. Welcome fellow YouTubers to Scale Model Kit Review. This is your host Steve. I am back with another paint up in a series of Danger Girls, and this is Abbey Chase. As part of that series, she's the American girl in the comic book series. She is produced by Hengs over at Hengs Model Kits. I'll put a link down below. She is 1/6 scale, and she is a garage kit. She is resin cast and just a beautiful kit. This kit goes together flawlessly, no seams, no gaps. Just was a joy to build and paint. You can see I have her presented on a little base. This is what you see here. I had a blast painting her. Now I did paint her skin tones just as I showed you in a previous video. I'll put a link down below on how I do my skin tones. Her clothes were painted with Createx Wicked Colors and then gloss coated with Aqua Gloss. The rest of the colors were done with Pro Acryl from Monument Hobbies. I love those paints. They flow very nicely. They mix very nice, and they do go into the airbrush very well. But this is her. I really enjoyed her. She's the second in the series. We got one more to do. We got to do the Russian girl next. But I did paint her up as part of the series of Way of the Dragon with Gilbert Mondragon. And you probably noticed on my channel I have a live feed going. If you go to my live tab above, you'll see that video, and I'll be presenting more of those as we go along with our builds. But like I said, she was a blast to do. I didn't do very many tutorials with her on this build. I just got too wrapped up in getting her done, getting her painted and finished, that I just did not do that. It takes a lot of time to do those. However, if you would like to see more how-tos on how I do my figures, put that down in the comments, and I'll do my best to give you those. So let's get a close-up here. And there she is. I did hand paint her eyes. She's kind of looking upwards a little bit, and that was a lot of fun. I'm still perfecting how I paint eyes, but I'm still working on it. And I did go with a lot of flake on her top with the white there, just to give it some bling. And I did her gun in a bluing effect. Of course, her pants, multicolored pants, glossy boots. That's the look I was looking for with that. But there you have it. Pretty cool, huh? This was Abbey Chase from Danger Girls Comic Books. Head over to Hengs Model Kits. I'll put a link down below and check out all his kits. He has a great series of Mad Max Road Warrior kits. And looks like he's currently working on a pirate. So that's supposed to be huge and a very big kit. So there you have it.
I hope you know how hard I try. Before you start to get a mind to say goodbye, I hope you see how far I go. Forever trying to bring my world to your front door. 'Cause the best is not enough. The best is not enough. If I do it for you, I hope it shows when love is true. I'm praying that the way it is ain't lost on you. 'Cause honey, in the end, if truth be told, you're gonna need the kind of love that's full of soul.
If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. All your thumbs up does help to get my channel noticed. Also, I'd like to recommend the Styrene Syndicate. Head over there and subscribe to the Styrene Syndicate on YouTube. Also, Just Paint It, Jerry over Just Paint It. He's getting close to 500 subs. He's got a big giveaway. So head over to his channel. Let's give him 1,000 subs. Come on, everybody. I have a lot of followers on my channel. Head over to Just Paint It and tell Jerry you love him and give him a subscription. Okay. The other YouTube channel I would recommend is Model Club TV. Model Club TV is getting close to 1,000 subs also, and they could use your subscription too. Model Club TV, if you don't know anything about them, they are adult oriented, but they give us a lot of news on the garage kit industry and 3D printing, and they have a lot of fun there, and they do a lot of interviews with some outstanding kit producers, painters, and fans. So if you're heading over to Wonderfest, they will be there. They'll have a table set up, so head over there and say hello. I can't make it this year, but I hope to be there next year to check out all the fun. Never been to Wonderfest. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and please continue to support my channel and get me noticed out there. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.